Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox in the Verbatim Demon Slayer USB drive. Now you can get it right now on Popular, which means I got one of here. It's the 32 gig version, but you can also get in 60 gigabyte. It's in a very different design. At 16 gigabytes, there has a 5 design. For the 32 gig, you can collect all 7 of the is design as well. So I got one. I got one of here is the Nezuko. This says the Blood Demon Art Exploding Blood. And here's are the price of the Demon Slayer USB drive. Right here, the 16 gig. It starts at 39 ringgit 90 cents, and for the 32 gig, it starts at 69 ringgit 90 cents. And so, this one the design. They got R5 design. Right here. So, here it is. It's 16 gig. 8 versions on the left and the 32 gig. 8 versions on the right. Yes, you seen here the left comes with 5 designs, and the 32 gig on the right it has 7 designs on here. So without further ado, so we're gonna get unboxing right now. Okay. Yeah, so this one cut here to open. This Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba famous scenes USB drive designs. Collect all 7. The connection interface is USB A 3.2 Gen 1, and it's also known as the USB 3.0. It can be plugged on your Windows 7 and above of Mac OS X 10.1 or higher, Linux kernel 2.6 and higher. It sells outside Japan only. Which means I know they don't have a Japanese, but maybe lah. It says Verbatim Americas LLC, which is nice. Cut here to open, but I will keep it as a collection of these designs over here. So here. So okay, so here is the USB flash drive itself. Okay, they also have include the USB loop. Oops. Yes, they got a bamboo cover the mouth. Yes, here the Blood Demon Art Exploding Blood. They got the clear USB cover protect the port. Yes, here it is. So that was it for this video. If you like what you saw, hit that subscribe button and make sure to share this video and like this video. So that's it for the moment. As always, it's goodbye and thank you.